Hey, what's up everybody? So in front of you we have the Homvana 3-in-1 humidifier, diffuser, and mood light. This is the H103. This comes in a 2-pack. We're going to give you a full unboxing of it and a quick overview. But before we start, just want to let you know that we do make a small commission when you do click on our links. So definitely make a purchase through our links. It'll definitely help us out. So again, this is a 2-pack. The tank holds 1.8 liters or half a gallon. Here's the top. It's the back of it. So inside you get your little manual. Gives you instructions on how to set it up. So placing it on a flat surface, removing the cover, and filling it up with water. There is a little line that lets you know how much to fill. And if you want to do aromatherapy, you can do 2 to 5 drops of essential oil directly into the tank. And then once you're done, place the cover back on and connect the power jack. So again, you have your tap to turn the humidifier on, a timer. So you have 3 hours, 6 hours, 9 hours. Nightlight button and a mist level. And then it tells you also to clean every 2 weeks and to clean the holder. And then use the little brush that's included to clean the inside. So here's the little brush that's included. Again, you have another user manual. The other one was just a quick guide. So I'm only going to go ahead and take out one because they're both the same, but let me just go ahead and do that right now. So here it is out of the box. I'll go ahead and take it out of the plastic for you. So it would be the same for the other one. So included, you also get your power adapter. It says Homvana humidifier. And here is the DC power jack that would connect to the bottom here. So here's a closer look at the bottom. You have your 3 legs. And it would just connect like so. Cable sits flush. And here is your magnetic atomization holder. There are magnets on the bottom here that attaches to the bottom inside. And inside you have your max fill spot right here. And when you're done, cover it up, and this is where all the mist would come out of once it's turned on. And you also have a max fill line on the outside as well. So on here you have your on off button, your night light. Here's your light off button, your timer, again 3, 6, 9, and then your misting option is here, your mist level. So you have high mist or low mist. So let's go ahead, put some water and see how this looks like. So here I already have water filled up, have it plugged in to the back. Go ahead and close it up, turn it on, and immediately you can see that mist is coming out already. And you can rotate this however you want in whatever direction that you need it. So let me show you the front look of this. All right, so here's the front of it. Go ahead and press the power button. You can see light turned on. And you can already see the mist that's provided already. So again, this button right here is the night light. So you can change the different colors. Yellow, green, teal, or blue, like blue, white, warm white, and off. And now you can see that it turned on, and now it's changing color. So you got blue, another blue, purple, and it goes through the cycle again. And if you don't want the light, you can go ahead and press the middle button, which turns it off. So you have your timer button here. So you have your 3, 6, and 9. It's 3, 6, 9. So if you want to set it on a timer, press it again, and none of it's lit up, so you know it's on constantly. And then the last one is your mist. So right now it's on high. Turn it off. High is off. So as you can see now, it's not as much of a mist. Put it back on high. You can see it's a lot more. So again, this is high, low, high, low. So that's the Homvana 3-in-1 humidifier, diffuser, and mood light. Great for small bedrooms, apartments, or small living quarters. And again, you can put essential oil on here for aromatherapy, and it has a nightlight. So that's the Homvana humidifier. Till next time, see ya.